Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen. Commodity TV for you today in our studios here in Munich. And with me here is a very special guest, Florian Grummes, the CEO of the Midas Touch Consulting. He's one of the top-notch analysts here in the precious metal scene in Germany, but also I would say even in Europe. And we want to talk about gold, about the Brexit and what might be the consequences. Florian, great to have you here. Thanks for taking the time.
Hello, Johan. Thanks for inviting me.
Last time we spoke some 4 months ago, in February, gold was at $1260. It was after the Russia, like $120. It was up from January, and now today we are at $1280, $1290 again. So 4 months which nothing happened. Mm-hmm. How do you see it?
Yes, I warned you 4 months ago that this will need more time to consolidate, and finally, actually, we really got exactly that consolidation. Around 1260 since mid of February. Gold tried to break out above 1300. It failed. We had a big sell-off end of May down to 1200. But so far the 1200 level is super strong support. Mm-hmm. And gold has recovered within 8 trading days up to 1290 again. Mm-hmm. So now the big question is, of course, what's going to happen now? What's next? And you know that I not only look at technical analysis, I don't only look at fundamentals, I look at lots of different perspectives on the market. And for example, seasonality still not really supportive. Basically, end of July, normally that's where the gold price is moving, start to move. Then we have the commitment of trades with the professional money is heavily short. Mm-hmm. Then we have the sentiment. It's not excessive optimism, but I've seen today a famous German yellow press talking about now is a good time to buy gold. So that's already a sign to be careful. Mm-hmm. Of course, there's a lot of fear in the market right now. You've already mentioned Brexit. That's the main topic everybody's talking about at the moment, and it can have disastrous consequences for the markets in the short term. Mm-hmm. If it goes through longer term, I'm pretty optimistic. I think if Britain returns to a free market, it will be good for them, and probably doesn't really matter to the EU trading wise. But the Eurozone and the euro itself would get into serious troubles because it would be the first member to leave the whole thing. And so
would you say the Brexit theme, I think the 23rd of June is the final vote, yes or no for it. And as we heard, 55% are against the EU. So that means they want to have the Brexit, that Britain gets out. We will see what happens. But do you think that this Brexit discussion is one of the drivers of the gold price?
Yes, I do think so. I think there's a lot of fear building in the market right now. I just today read that the gold sales in London, the physical gold sales, the bullion sales are up roughly 80% in the last couple of weeks. So people fleeing into the gold market, and they also fleeing into the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin at the moment. So they are both markets are really up heavily in the last couple of days. So if the Brexit goes through, we might get a big explosion in the gold market, and we probably very quickly will move to 1350. If we don't get the Brexit, the contrary will happen, and we will very likely get a larger correction in the gold market.
And you see also like the euro is getting weaker or stronger depending on what the outcome might be.
Exactly.
Yeah, and also let's say on the main markets like the DAX or the Euro Stoxx 50, etc., up or down in the same waves. Yeah.
Exactly. So the stock market right now is in a sell-off. Lots of fear, and if the Brexit doesn't go through, I think the stock markets will recover pretty quickly.
Okay, cool. Give us a little bit more of a prognosis. Let's say, okay, it doesn't matter what happens with the Brexit. We think maybe, as we say, political exchange or political movements normally have short legs.
Exactly, yes.
And so let's say, okay, this is maybe 4-6 weeks a theme for the markets. What happens, let's say, until the end of the year in 2017? Give us a bit of a technical outlook.
Yes,
if this is possible.
I think beginning of July we can see more clear what's really going on. Generally, I believe that gold is on the way to 1500 because we had a double low in December. We had a breakout out of this falling bullish wedge, and the logical target is around $1,500 for gold. But this is not a one-way ticket. It's going to be very shaky, volatile, up and down, exactly what we got the last couple of months, actually. So if gold breaks out above 1290, the next target would be 1350, where I expect a larger sell-off again, or at least a pullback.
But it would be a great opportunity to invest, right?
I mean, my mantra, and that's what I'm saying in my newsletter since many months, buy the dips. So I told my newsletter readers to buy the dip below 1210, 1215. They did so 2 weeks ago. They are nicely up. And we have to buy low. That's the only way to make money in the market. So.
Buy low, sell high. Yes.
Yes, and you always need to figure out the time frame at which you're looking. So, looking at the 5-year chart of gold, gold is low without a doubt. So buy every dip. Be disciplined and patient. The market always comes back, and especially if we get this volatile, fear-driven movements in the market the next 2 weeks, I think there might be some opportunities.
Okay, great. Perfect. Florian, thank you very much for this, and I'm pretty sure we talk soon.
Yes, okay.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it was Florian Grummes, the CEO of the Midas Touch Consulting. And you heard it. The Brexit is the main theme for the markets, for the gold markets in the next weeks. And obviously, yes, if the Brexit happens, gold will move up sharply. If not, gold may fall back to 1200. But the only thing is buy the dips. I think that's very good advice. And we keep you posted. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye from Munich.
Bye-bye.